Hi guys, Xiaomi run new update HyperOS version global 1.0.4.0 index EU global. New update. What is new? Update the security patch to June 2024. Increase system security and new feature AI function add for system HyperOS. Based this update Android 14 version. Android security update 1 June 2024. What is new? Additional settings. Swipe bottom. AI subtitles. This function you can apply to become a beta tester in Xiaomi community. Testing new feature gallery. Top right. I need function AI portrait. You need AI portrait for gallery. Install and download AI portraits application. Update. Download my Telegram Technosmart. Link will be in the info box. Support all smartphone flagship Xiaomi, Redmi and Poco. Only flagship. After update, add new function. First settings. Select photo. Example. Incorrect. Correct. Minimal 25 photo. Select photo and update AI. Term create 2 hours. Wait. And system create AI portrait. Example AI create photo cyberpunk. Example photo create HD image and save. Creating maximal quality and save. And high quality AI generate by AI function. How create AI? Bottom create more portraits. AI create example. How generate AI portrait? Enter description. For example, create and wait create portraits time 1 minute. Okay, create AI portraits. In 1 day you can create a maximum of 20 portraits. Next function, video effects. Portrait videos. Video effect. Testing. Create one click. Start. Download video and press and hold one effect, 2 effect, 3, 4, 5, many effect. Effect and text and finality variant. Next, add function video editor, new interface and many new templates. Example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 videos. Next, many video and video effect and more items. Add text and music and editor filters and many preset. Very good performance this update. Testing maximal performance mode and testing application 122 testing. Flagship count. Flagship icon count. Very good. CPU, GPU, memory, RAM and internal storage and UX count. Old update and new update. New old. No flagship icon old update. New update flagship icon and many count. Throttling test. This update very good. Throttling test options settings number 100 and time. This update very good counts Geekbench, single core and multi-core testing. Maximal performance. Example smartphone Poco F6Pro. Subscribe my YouTube channel Technosmart. New question, write the comment. See you and new videos.